Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy Replit project on Netlify. So in order to do this, first of all, log into replit.com and navigate to the project that you're working on. Now, you'll have to simply click on the plus icon at the top right and search for Git. Now, connect your project to GitHub and export it on GitHub just by clicking on Git and connecting to a GitHub account. I've already connected my Replit to GitHub, that's why I'm not seeing the button. But you'll have to simply connect to GitHub, export your project as a repository on GitHub, then navigate to netlify.com. So log into netlify.com, click on Add New Project button, click on Import an Existing Project, now click on GitHub. After you click on GitHub, you'll have to basically log into GitHub using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll have to click on Install. Now, when you click on install, as you can see, we have successfully deployed our project with Replit. Now, you'll have to simply select any project that you want to import and click on deploy project. But before that, you'll have to fill out these fields. After you fill out these fields, you can click on deploy the project and you would have successfully deployed your Replit project on Netlify. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.